pallet wood. You love it, you love to use it, just can't deal with the nail holes. Want to fix it? Stick around. I'm going to show you what to do. So what are you going to need? Obviously you're going to need a pallet board. You're going to need a drill. You're going to need a drill bit. And the drill bit has to be the same size as a plug hole cutter. So it's pretty easy. First of all, install the drill bit inside your drill. You want to drill out these holes. The whole point is that you want to basically eliminate the hole, the unsightly hole from the pallet, first of all. Once you have a nice clean hole, then you can move on to the next step. That's pretty much as clean as it gets, especially with pallet wood that's so dry. Next, you want to use the plug hole cutter. Now, this is something that requires a little bit of skill to use, and in all honesty, I've learned here that it's not ideal to use this with a hand drill. But in this particular case, it kind of worked okay. However, that's not always the case. Here I get a mess. So if you have a drill press available, that'll probably be a better option for you, because these plug hole cutters have a tendency to wander around and they're very difficult to control. So a drill press is probably your best bet. And there it is. Since you've picked a drill bit and a plug hole cutter that are about the same size, well, all you got to do is fill it up with glue and plug the hole and then sand. And there you go. Now, if you pick a pallet wood board that has exactly the same color and grain as those holes you want to fix, you're all set. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.